Want to convert PDF to Excel in just seconds? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most accurate way to turn your PDF documents like invoices, tables into clean, editable Excel spreadsheets. So no coding, no formulas, no complicated steps. Just smart automation using Lido, a powerful AI tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Let's jump in. The first thing that you need to do is to open sheets.lido.app, and then you will get something that looks like this. On your left side, you can see connections. So when I click on this, you can add connections, whatever you need for your business. So you can add HubSpot, OneDrive, Outlook, Gmail, whatever you need. It's really convenient and really helpful. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to add a new file. So let's just click over here on this little plus button, and you will get something that looks like this. All right, first things first, just upload your PDF file into Lido. Click over here, and then you have multiple options to upload it, PDF, image, or doc from your computer. Then you can use Google Drive. Also, you can extract data from this email or use the website. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna upload it from my computer, and let's check. What's really amazing is that the tool instantly recognizes what kind of document you're working with. In this case, Lido knows it's an invoice, and it automatically identifies key data fields that should be pulled into a spreadsheet. You don't need to set anything up manually. The smart detection does it all for you. Lido gives you suggested columns based on the document, but you're in a full control. You can adjust things however you like. So for example, you have invoice number, date, item, description, but watch this. I'll add a new column right here in the column section. For example, I'm gonna write total, and just click enter, and here it is. But the cool fact is, look, on the spreadsheet you have total 2. There it is, instantly added to the spreadsheet. So now let's do the reverse. I'll add the new column directly in the spreadsheet. For example, I'm gonna write over here total 2, and here you go. You can find it. It updates back in the column section automatically. If you need to clean things up, just hit the little X like here over in the tool, and it disappears from the sheet, or delete from the sheet, and Lido updates accordingly. I'm gonna clean this over here, and that's it. It's gone. Everything stays fully in synchronization, which is super helpful when you're working with complex documents or large data sets. Here's where Lido really shines. You don't need to name your columns exactly the same as they are in the PDF. Let's say your PDF just says amount. You can create 2 separate columns, one for line item amounts and one for total invoice amount. So I'm gonna add it over here. For example, you can just click amount, and you can add line or whatever you want. Lido's AI understands the structure and context of the document, and it knows what data you're looking for, even if your custom column names don't match the original label. So this means you can get really specific with your data and still get accurate results without any mapping or setup. In most cases, Lido gets things right without any extra instructions. But if you want even more control, you can use the extra instruction box, as you can see over here. Just type in your instructions like you're explaining something to a coworker. For example, please extract only data from page 1, or format currency values in USD. Skip rows that are completely empty. You're basically coaching the AI to understand what you need, and it listens in a very natural way. Now, if your document has multiple line items like different products or charges listed on the same invoice, you will want to make sure this option is turned on. Extract multiple rows per document. This tells Lido to go row by row and capture all that detailed data correctly. It's perfect when you're working with itemized tables or recipients with multiple entries. And the last step, what are we going to do? Process all files. So we will see now what will happen. We will get items, description, quantity, and amount, everything that we need. Once everything looks the way you want it and your data is clean, complete, and accurate, it's time to export. Just hit the export button and download your file. I'm gonna click over here on these little three dots, so you can rename your sheet. You can export values to Excel or export to CSVs or even export to QuickBooks. That's it. Your PDF has now been transformed into an editable, structured spreadsheet. And that's how you convert a PDF to Excel in just a few minutes. So no manual work, no stress, and no technical skills needed. So if you want to try this yourself, click in the link in the description below and check out Lido. It's a super handy tool that saves your time, reduces errors, and helps you get more done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this video helped you out. See you in the next one.